Hello, the Grambling friends. Ever fancied having an AI expert buddy? Today, we are making that dream a reality. We will craft a semantic kernel expert friend with OpenAI GPTs. What else? Let's go and do it.
So, first we are going to GitHub, and this project that I'm showing here, GPT Crawler, is used by several persons in some other videos that I've seen to crawl a site and also to scrape it. To use it, it's very simple. We'll copy this command in the README, and it's a git clone, so we will go and create here a folder and type git clone and the URL of the repo. Yeah, I did that twice, and once it's cloned, I can use it, and we can go inside GPT Crawler, and then we can open Visual Studio Code, which if you don't have, you should. And once you have it done, you can open the project. The only thing to check is this, I think it's in this configuration file, and first do npm e to install everything needed. It may take a while, and on this configuration you can already see a bit that there is a URL, which, for example, you can put whatever you want to download. In our case is a semantic kernel documentation, which I write it there. I put asterisk because I want to crawl everything that matches this URL, and I want to customize the output file name, which will contain the text of all the websites it crawls and finds. I put max pages to crawl, 1500. It will not find that much, but it's okay. Meanwhile, npm has finished, and we can start it with npm start. And if everything goes as it should start Playwright, which is a super nice testing framework for Microsoft, but it creates a headless browser that, yeah, we can basically mimic any browser, which is ideal for scraping and also, yeah, getting all the information from websites that we want. All right. Yep. Waiting, I think we got 107 pages, which is not bad. And we put them into this ASCII output 1 JSON, which is the file that we need to create our GPT friend. So, with that, we can find the file. We can even take a look at it. Yeah, let me bring it. And it's basically a JSON file made of the contents of this website that we want to add it as the memory of this custom GPT that we are going to be creating in a moment. Alright, so we go to ChatGPT on OpenAI. I think we can do that now on Azure. We can create our custom GPTs. I think, no. We have assistants, but not GPTs, not yet, at least. And then we put what we want to create, a friend expert in semantic kernel. And it will update the GPT, do a lot of things for us. I think it will even give us a logo. Because, you know, when you create a GPT, the most important thing is the logo. And the name, yeah. Semantic PAL. Yes. I don't like that much, but yeah, it should work. Alright. Yeah, let's give it ASCII semantic kernel expert PAL. That's work. That's good. And yeah, the semantic kernel will be created in a moment. We just have to wait for it to generate the profile picture. And yeah, it's not bad. It's a robot, let's make it a robot. And of course with big eyes. Let's see what we get. And again, to wait a bit, because we know the logo is the most important part of it, right? Yeah, okay, not bad. It's a robot, it's smiling, has big blue eyes. Everything we wanted. We are done. Well, not really. What should we do? I think everything. We want everything. Yeah. Internally, it's setting up some flags and creating a title and description, setting what we usually call the system message. And yeah. Yeah, I don't think it really gets what is semantic kernel. I mean, we haven't given it any memory, any URL, anything. So we will improve it in a moment. We will make you better. So we jump into configure. Alright, good, thanks. You have to be kind, you never know where these things will end up in 1 or 2 years. So we go to configure, a friend, expert in semantic kernel, help to you to understand complex concepts, etc. Yep, instructions. We could, in instructions, review them and provide some URLs it should go to, which is not bad. The description and the name are good. So we will leave it there. Or not. Alright, we will improve it a bit. So we will add your role is that of a friendly expert in semantic kernel with a focus on engagement and clarity. You will maintain casual tone, and then you will first search in your up-to-date memory. This is what we will add in a moment. And then you should search and retrieve these URLs, which is the blog. I will share these texts in the description, so you can copy it and try it up. And yeah, I will upload the file. SKI output. It was that one? Yes. But we will change it a bit and add the date, because this is changing quite a lot. The documentation not that much, but yeah, maybe it will in short as semantic kernel stabilizes a bit, because it's evolving as there is no tomorrow. Kudos to the team. Capabilities, web browsing, DAL-E, image generation. We don't need code for that. And now we can ask again once it's refresh. Yeah, I think it's better to wait. Oh, yeah. This one. Explain me again what semantic kernel. Now we should get a bit better response. Magic box helps them understand. Smart computer brains. Yeah. Well. One more simple. Searching. That's a lot better. I think sometimes you can ask it even questions which are kind of code-based because they are in the documentation, and it responds them really well. Of course, ideally it should be trained on the code, on the semantic kernel examples, but this is not bad and helps a lot. Alright, so you could save it, but only you can confirm, or make it public and share love for semantic kernel. Or yeah, you can also do it only one with the link, but you need the link. Alrighty, I think we are mostly done, and you can play it, you can use it even for yourself when you don't know a thing. You can ask it, and if it's in the documentation or it can work, yeah, you can try it and see how it goes, and let me know in the comments. Let's see, this one, what should we ask it? Yeah, sample program and execute it. I don't know, we should say semantic kernel, but it's always to be very specific. Searching my knowledge. That's mostly the JSON we added. Setup, create semantic program, execute the program, handle the response. Yeah, more or less. The only thing is that the response, usually it's a text string. It now doesn't need to be a JSON, so that part is not that correct. But yeah, show me the code. And that it uses a search. And now it's better. It's always better when you ask it to search and get some grounding. And this should basically work. That looks pretty alright to me. Still is also probably there is some documentation from all things, because now we call them program functions, but yeah, more or less it's alright.
And just like that, you have your very own semantic kernel expert friend. This AI buddy is about to improve your text experience for good. I'm really excited to hear about your adventures and insights in the comments. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe down below for more AI adventures.